Good afternoon, truck guys and gals. Hot, windy day here in Tucson. Today, working on the seam sealing of the interior. We've got the first coat of sealer in. We'll let that dry a few days. It'll actually be next week before I get back here to work on it. We'll go ahead and put the tape on all the seams, and then it's the second coat of sealer. And before I put the seat back in, I'm going to go ahead and put a Moller panel on the back of the cab there, and a Moller panel on each side of the box. That's the new drive tunnel. And while I was at it, put some glass in that door and this one. May as well. I think that's going to be it till next time. Not a whole lot to report.